Hello, this is a live streaming platform quality of experience dashboard. And right now, Alchemy in US East is in trouble. So we're going to go to USE. I want to show you specifically why it's in trouble, right? So filter. All right, so you'll notice that the rebuffering is at 8%, 4 times our SLO. Start time near 5 seconds, and the error is at 6%. So when a premiere or a live match degrades like this, the fix is quick. The expensive part is the 70 minutes an engineer spends correlating metrics, logs, and traces to find the cost, while downtime runs up to $2 million an hour. Meet Signal. Okay? Signal runs on Cloud Run. It executes a deterministic 7-step playbook against live Grafana data, reasoning with Gemini on Vertex AI and calling Grafana through the model context protocol. At runtime, detect, it queries our SLOs in Prometheus. Triage, it classifies severity by CDN and region. Correlate, it pulls Loki logs. Change check, it looks for recent deploys. Diagnose, Gemini ranks root cause hypothesis, each citing specific signals. Then it recommends and reports. So it takes about 30 to 60 seconds for us to generate a report. And when it does, we'll read off. All right. And here's the results. Severity SIP2, scope exactly to Alchemy's US East. It caught all of the 3 SLOs breaching, isolated it by comparing against the healthy CDNs and regions, and recommends failing over Alchemy in US East with a full RCA and executive summary. Now I'm going to show you some of the code here. And in this code, I'm showing you basically the agent registers the mcp-grafana server as a tool, and it calls it live. And the next code I'm showing you is the build playbook. And at the bottom here, you'll see sub-agents. And within those sub-agents, you'll see things like detect, triage, correlate, change check, diagnose, recommend, and report. Next, I'm going to go to the Google Cloud. And you'll see that the cloud services list signal and signal telemetry. And so these two rows have green check marks, right? You don't click anything. They just show the list on screen while you looking here. So obviously we have always on service streaming telemetry as well. And then I'll just click on signal and it'll show you some data, real data here. Okay, great. Come on up. All right, awesome. So signal, we don't automate the fix. We automate the diagnosis. That part, right, it can cost you up to $2 million an hour.